What is a Cartesian robot? Gantry and linear robots explain with examples. What exactly is a Cartesian robot? The clue is in the name. These robots move in straight lines along the X, Y and Z axis, just like the graph paper you used in school. No fancy rotations, no dramatic arm waving, just precise, rigid, straight line motion. Because of their design, Cartesian robots are known for their accuracy and strength. They're built to be rigid, repeatable and easy to program, which is why you'll find them in all kinds of industries. In CNC machines, they cut and shape materials with millimeter perfect precision. In 3D printers, they build layer upon layer with accuracy you can rely on. And in pick and place systems, they move products quickly and efficiently from one spot to another. Companies like Güdel and Yamaha produce leading Cartesian robots. Güdel's gantry systems handle heavy loads and large parts with speed and reliability, while Yamaha Cartesian robots are designed for compact, high-performance applications. The key advantages: precision, rigidity and flexibility in design. You can build them as large or as compact as you need. They're straightforward, dependable and often the first choice when you need accuracy in 3 straight directions. So in short, a Cartesian robot is the workhorse of the automation world. Simple in concept, powerful in practice and quietly powering the technology all around us. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.